Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate X6, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so. Now I do want to point out top right side of the screen, as this will bring down your toggles. Next, locate the power saving toggle, which should be somewhere below here. See if it's actually added by default. If it's not, we will need to do that ourselves, and we can do so by clicking on this button right over here. Click on the plus, and we have power saving mode right here. Click on the plus, it's right there. Then confirm it by selecting the check mark twice, and that's it. Now our power saving mode is added to the toggles, and now whenever you want to use it, you can just simply tap on it. It will bring up the first time this window, letting you know that power saver basically saves power by disabling features such as always on display and auto syncing. Now auto syncing is a very brief description of what it actually does. What this means is it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery, so keep that in mind. I also recommend checking this box right here to not show this again. And you can see that now our power saving mode is enabled, as we have this little leaf icon next to the battery. Once you're done with it, you can find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to turn it off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.